Hello guys, good morning from Houston, Texas. It's currently 5:36 a.m. in the morning, and guess what guys? I ordered the Nintendo Switch 2 online. So apparently guys, hindi siya available sa Best Buy kung saan ako nakatira. So I need to drive 1 hour and 15 minutes sa Best Buy College Station to pick up the item. So I ordered the Switch 2 Mario Kart World Bundle Nintendo Switch 2. Ito siya guys. So it says here preparing for pickup today. So I'm currently at work now. Probably after 12 p.m. matulog siguro muna ako. After 12 p.m. I'm going to start driving papunta sa College Station, Texas to pick up the item. Samahan niyo ako mamaya guys. Hello guys, I woke up 30 minutes ago and katatapos ko lang maligo. So it's currently 12:27 p.m. in the afternoon, and I already received an email from Best Buy na ready na for pickup yung in-order ko na Nintendo Switch 2. So I'm gonna show you the email. Tingnan guys. So it says ready for pickup. So I'm gonna drive mga 1 hour going to College Station, and samahan niyo ko guys. Tara! This is my everyday carry. My iPad mini, of course, Pokemon, Apple Pencil, my wallet guys. I have 2 wallets with me. This is my credit card, Pokemon design. I also have my driver's license here, and my other wallet. This is from Chums, this is from Threads. I also have U-Green adapter. So meron siyang USB-C and USB-A. And a cord. And of course, the AirTag always. This bag is from Alpaca. I ordered it in Amazon. Let's go guys. Bye-bye. Hello guys, we're now here in College Station. Yes, thank you. Hello guys, I got my Nintendo Switch 2. So we're heading back to Houston, Texas na. It's another 1 hour and 30 minutes drive. Hello guys, so we are back here in Houston. We're in Katy. We're gonna have our late lunch. So we're gonna eat here in Tim Ho Wan. Grabe guys, I'm so hungry. Bye.